If you've ever wondered how the TP-Link Archer AX15, also known as the AX1500, performs in real-world speed tests, this video is for you. On paper, it promises up to 1,201 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. But as we know, advertised numbers don't always match what you'll actually see at home. To keep things fair, we tested the router with Okola Speed Test using both wired and wireless connections. The device was placed in a central location, and we ran multiple speed tests at different distances, from right next to the router to about 2 rooms away. On the 5 GHz band, close-range speeds averaged around 500 to 600 megabits per second, which is strong for a budget Wi-Fi 6 router. As expected, speeds dropped the farther we moved, but the connection stayed stable for streaming and gaming. On 2.4 GHz, results hovered around 100 to 150 megabits per second, plenty for light browsing or smart home devices. Wired performance through the gigabit ports gave us the full internet speed without any issues. So does the Archer AX15 live up to the Wi-Fi 6 hype? In real life, it won't deliver the full 1,500 megabits per second advertised, but it still provides fast, reliable performance at a very affordable price. For small to medium homes, it's a practical step up from older Wi-Fi 5 routers.